Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking some ordinary metal pieces and turn them into a powerful and precise metal bending tool. To get a clean cut, I'm wrapping a piece of paper around the pipe and marking a straight line. This helps guide my angle grinder for a precise cut. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, using my angle grinder, I'm carefully cutting along the marked line. This cutting process will give us the first essential component for our bending tool. Again, I'm using the angle grinder to cut this second section. We need two identical rings for the bending mechanism, so consistency is crucial. Here are our two metal rings, perfectly cut. Now, I'm taking a flat piece of scrap metal that will serve as the base of our tool. I'm going to weld the first ring onto the metal plate. This provides a solid anchor for the ring, which will be critical for withstanding the forces of bending later on. Now, I'm positioning the second ring next to the first, making sure there's a small gap between them. I'll then weld the second ring securely to the base plate as well. After welding, there's always some slag left over. This also helps to inspect the quality of the weld. Next, I'm taking a long bolt and threading a nut onto it. This assembly will act as a pivot point and adjustable stopper for our bending operations. I'm welding the bolt to the base plate. This is another crucial connection that needs to be very strong, as it will bear a lot of stress during use. Once again, I'm chipping away the welding slag from around the bolt. A clean weld is not just about aesthetics. It ensures the structural integrity of the joint. I'm adding another flat piece of metal, positioning it vertically on the base plate. I'm marking its position precisely. I'm welding this vertical piece to the base. I'm making sure it's perfectly upright and strongly attached. This vertical support bar is crucial for keeping the bending tool securely and stably fixed in the vise during use. After welding, I'm cleaning off the slag. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm using an angle grinder to trim the head of the bolt. I'm taking a long piece of rebar, which will serve as our bending lever. I'm welding this rebar to the pivot pin of the tool. I'm welding another bolt and nut assembly onto it, ensuring the nut is fixed. This bolt will interface with the main bending structure. After securing the bolt to the rebar, I'm cleaning off the welding slag. Now, I'm adding rollers to the bolts I just welded. These rollers are crucial. They will guide the steel bars smoothly during bending, reducing friction and preventing material damage. To create a stop position for the tool, I'm welding an additional metal bar to the tool. Then, I'm using an angle grinder to trim it. I'm welding an additional bolt and nut to the stop position and cleaning it. This connection creates the pivot point for our bending lever, allowing for smooth control movement. I'm fitting a flat piece of metal into the tool, positioning it between the fixed round tubes. With a steady hand, I press firmly on the handle and watch as a piece of metal is easily bent into the desired shape. You can see how versatile this tool is. By repositioning the metal piece, I can create more complex shapes, like this elegant S-shaped curve. This demonstrates the precision and control you get with this homemade device. The guide tubes and rotating handle ensure the metal piece maintains a smooth and consistent curve. I'm continuing to work the metal piece, creating an even more intricate pattern. It's amazing what you can achieve with some simple materials and a bit of ingenuity. This tool makes repetitive and precise bending surprisingly easy. Now that I have two uniformly shaped pieces of metal, I will weld them together to create a beautiful and unique pattern. Look at these perfectly bent pieces. From simple curves to intricate S-shapes, it's amazing what we can create with basic materials and some ingenuity. If you enjoyed watching this transformation and found this DIY metal bending tool inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.